What is YouTube TV Zen Channel? YouTube TV has introduced a dedicated Zen channel that streams calming and serene content 24/7. It's designed to help viewers relax and unwind with soothing visuals and ambient sounds. Here's everything you need to know about the Zen channel. Key features of YouTube TV Zen Channel. 1. Purpose of the Zen channel. Relaxation. The Zen channel provides continuous tranquil visuals and soothing sounds, offering a peaceful atmosphere for relaxation. Viewer request. The channel was launched in response to subscriber interest in having extended access to YouTube TV's Zen moments. 2. Content featured. Nature scenes. The channel features calming landscapes, wildlife, and seasonal vistas. Ambient sounds, accompanied by calming background music or natural sounds, such as flowing water, bird songs, and wind. Seasonal themes. The content updates to reflect the current season. For example, winter scenes during colder months. 3. How to access the Zen channel. Search function. You can locate the Zen channel by typing YouTube TV Zen in the search bar. Live guide. Add the Zen channel to your custom live guide for easy access. Direct link. You can also access it via the direct link, YT.be/Zen. 4. Availability. Subscription requirements. The Zen channel is available to all YouTube TV subscribers. Device compatibility. It's accessible on all devices that support YouTube TV, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices. Enjoy peaceful moments. The Zen channel offers a serene viewing experience that allows you to relax and unwind anytime. Whether you're looking to meditate, focus, or simply enjoy calming visuals and sounds, the Zen channel is a perfect choice.